Hi. One of the things I want to talk with you about is organizing your files. Once you become more of a programmer and doing more things, file organization is really important. So let's just take a moment and figure out how to organize our files. Don't save them to your desktop. Don't put them in the downloads thing. Make sure you put them in a good place. So, for example, here I am on Windows and I want to create a new file for the first programming problem in chapter 2 of our textbook. So to be able to do this, I'm going to click New File, and I'll type in a name here, and names are important too. So this will be something like problem1.py. Okay, I'm going to create that new file. Now it's going to ask me, where do you want to put this? Well, I'm going to go to Documents, and now I need a place to put it. I'm just not going to put it in Documents because Documents is all the documents. I want to put it in its own special folders. So what I'm going to do here in Windows is I'll create a new folder by right-clicking, doing New Folder, and inside here I'll do something like UHV. And then inside there, I'll double-click on that. Maybe I'll create another folder for this class, 3318. That's this class. And so maybe now I'm inside here. Now I'm going to go one step more and I'm going to do new folder and I'll do like chapter 2. I don't like spaces in the names of things, so that's why you see me putting dashes between it. So now I'm inside chapter 2. So I'm going to go inside chapter 2 and now my problem.1, that's where I want to create the file inside chapter 2. You can see here that it shows me C users Curtis, documents, UHV, 3318, chapter 2, problem1.py. And so this is where I would do my work for problem number 1. Now, if you're on a Mac, it's very similar, but the save dialog looks a little different. So I'm going to go to new file and I'm going to type in something like problem number 1.py. Because that's what I want to be able to do for my chapter 2. So I'll go to Documents, and oh, look, I already have a UHV folder because I've got lots of stuff in here. And then there's 3318. And so now maybe I want to put in like, here's new folder. I don't right click, I click new folder, and I do something like chapter 2. And now that chapter 2 is selected, problem1.py, I'll click create file. And so now I've selected it and you can see users Curtis, documents UHV 3318 chapter 2 problem1.py. I know this seems really just like, oh my goodness, why so many folders, Curtis? But once you start doing programming in earnest in any kind of way, it doesn't matter what language, organizing your files is going to be supremely important. So start practicing that as you work through this class. All right, now on to actually solving some problems.